my god, I'm late. Oh, shit. What? No, please work, please. Oh man, I don't think my car battery works. How am I getting to school?
Or you could just not go to school. After all, nothing is mandatory.
Or you could try to charge your car battery using the chem bat.
Why would you want to do that? That sounds like a stupid scam.
Shut up, Michael. The chem bat? What's the chem bat?
Introducing the chem bag.
This product is literally a lifesaver. Using innovative electrochemistry, you'll still be able to make it to school on time.
But how does it work? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put 2 lead plates in a solution of sulfuric acid. And what's gonna happen is a precipitation reaction is gonna occur, where we have lead ions reacting with sulfate ions to precipitate lead sulfates. Later on, another reaction is gonna occur called a redox reaction. And in a redox reaction, one species is going to gain electrons while another species is going to lose electrons. Now, a solution of sulfuric acid and 2 lead plates isn't going to produce any electricity. So what we have to do is we have to charge it. And the rule of thumb is that we connect the negative terminal to the negative terminal, and we connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal. Now, this charging process can be shown through these 2 equations right here, where we have the lead dioxide, or lead sulfate that precipitated in step 1 reacting to form spongy lead, and we have the lead sulfate on the anode reacting to form lead dioxide, which is symbolized with a red and orange color, which is right here. Now that we've charged the battery, we can actually use it to do stuff, right? And that's called what we call discharging. So in this step, what we're doing is we're discharging the battery. So the spongy lead that was produced in step 2 is going to react with the sulfate ions to produce more, which is really just going to produce 2 electrons. And those 2 electrons are going to come out of the anode and into the cathode. And the cathode is going to take those 2 electrons, and that's going to react with the lead dioxide that was produced in step 2 to produce electricity, and that's going to complete the circuit. We have numbers associated with these reactions, and these are called electric motive forces, or EMFs. And so the EMF of this first reaction right here is 0.364, and that's going to be added to 1.68 volts right here, which is going to give us an electric motive force of 2.04 volts per each cell that is produced. Now, the goal of charging and discharging is that what we're trying to do is we're trying to produce spongy lead, and we're trying to produce lead dioxide. And so the idea is that what we're going to do is we're going to alternate between step 2 and step 3. So in this step 2, we produce spongy lead and lead dioxide, and that spongy lead and lead dioxide is used up in step 3. You can see how it's decreasing, the amount is decreasing as you discharge your battery. That's it. Alright, Kaylee, what year is it?
2019.
It's 2019, that's right. And you know what happened in 2019, Kaylee? The Avengers happened in 2019. Do you think we can do Thor justice with this weak sauce 2.04 volts of electricity? No, we can't even power a lawnmower with that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect 6 of these cells in what physicists call a series. So we're gonna connect them so that there's one path for the electrons to move. So we're gonna multiply 6 by 2.04 volts to give us 12.24 volts, which is the voltage of a car battery. Wait, so we've talked a lot about the chemistry behind a battery, a car battery. We haven't actually done any experiments to show how it works.
So we're gonna do a simple experiment. As always, safety first. So you want to put on some gloves. Goggles are recommended, but since I'm a professional, I'm not gonna use goggles. But if you're gonna do this at home, definitely use goggles. Wear a lab apron. Lab apron it would be helpful. Tell your parents. Let them know that you're gonna be doing an experiment. Okay. So the experiment we're gonna be doing today is we're going to be charging a car battery, okay? We're going to be showing how to charge a car battery. We're going to be teaching you guys how to charge a car battery. Alright, so let's do this. So, the most important thing you have to remember is that voltage is analogous to height. So that's kind of the analogy that we're going to be using. So, we're going to take this out slowly. Okay, it's just a cup. Okay, alright. So, let's pretend that this is our car battery. And this is the charger that we're using for our car battery. If I wanted to charge this battery right here, I would use a charger that is at a higher voltage, so at a higher height. That way I could just pour the pins and I charge my battery. But if I were to do it at a lower potential, a charger that was at a lower potential, it would just fall. It wouldn't go, and none of it would fall into my battery. But what if I did it at a potential that was extremely higher, all the way up here? While I'm making it rain, I'm not really charging my battery effectively. And in chemistry, in real life, if you do that, that's going to produce electrolysis of water, which is going to produce oxygen and hydrogen gas, and that's going to deteriorate your battery over time. That's going to worsen your battery over time. Alright, now here comes the fun part. We're going to take a look at some reviews from our most satisfied customers.
The ChemBat is my favorite product. In fact, it's the bomb.
The best product. In fact, it's product favorite.
I think the ChemBat is an essential knowledge that everyone should know.
Call this number today and get the ChemBat for only 5 payments of $19.99 a month.
Get your ChemBat today.
Now,
What do I do? Oh man, my car battery doesn't work.
Why would... No, you're supposed to...
I was going to continue!
Oh.
The ChemBat.
I don't think I got her in the shot.